You can build the UML package diagram right inside VisualParadigm online OpenDocs, and the process is very flexible. If you want a diagram that can be shared across multiple pages, start by clicking the plus icon on any node, then choose New Component Page. This creates a dedicated diagram component beneath that node. You'll then be asked to pick the diagram type. Select Package Diagram, and the editor will open for you to begin working. From here, you can design the diagram manually. Or you can let the system help by selecting Create with AI in the top right corner. Just remember, generating with AI will replace whatever is currently inside the diagram. After the AI produces the initial structure, you're free to reorganize packages, adjust dependencies, and fine-tune the layout however you like. When everything looks right, click Save, then use the left arrow button to exit the diagram editor. Your package diagram is now stored as a reusable component that you can insert anywhere. To place it on a page, open the page in Edit mode and click Insert. Choose Diagram, then Import Existing, and pick the package diagram you created. The package diagram now being inserted into the page. If you don't need the diagram to be reused elsewhere, you can also create it directly on a page. To do this, edit the page, go to Insert, choose Diagrams, and select Package Diagram. The editor will open, and you can either draw the diagram yourself or generate it with AI. Again, you can modify the AI-generated diagram according to your need. Once you save and close the editor, the package diagram will appear immediately on your page.